Workspace 101. $Workspace vscode. A workspace can refer to a variety of environments, from digital platforms to physical office spaces where individuals and teams perform their work. The term is often used in the context of software and online services, where it denotes a virtual space that integrates various tools and applications to facilitate productivity and collaboration. What it is *, a workspace is a designated area, either physical or virtual, that is structured to support work-related activities. In a digital context, it typically includes tools for communication, project management, document creation, and storage, and other functionalities that enable users to complete their tasks efficiently. Features *, integration, combines different tools and services into a single interface for ease of access and use. Collaboration, allows multiple users to work together on documents, projects, and tasks in real time. Customization, users can often personalize their workspace with themes, layouts, and tool preferences. Cons *, complexity, some workspaces can be complex and overwhelming for new users. Limited flexibility, certain workspaces may not offer the level of customization or flexibility desired by all users. Known issues and fixes *, performance, users may experience slow performance or glitches, which are typically addressed in updates and patches provided by the service provider. Access problems, issues with logging in or accessing certain features are common and are usually resolved through customer support or troubleshooting guides. Advanced tips for getting started *, explore tutorials, utilize available tutorials and training resources to familiarize yourself with the workspace's features and tools. Set up efficiently, organize your workspace by prioritizing the tools and applications you use most frequently. Advanced tips for improving it *, optimize layout, arrange your tools and documents in a way that streamlines your workflow and reduces clutter. Regular updates, keep your workspace updated to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. For a more detailed understanding, it's beneficial to refer to specific workspaces, such as Google Workspace or Microsoft's Power BI workspaces, as each will have unique characteristics and functionalities tailored to different user needs. Superscript 1. Always check the official documentation or support resources for the most accurate and up-to-date information.